I think I'm bad as hell, I got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I do the dishes never come. Easy bake, easy wake, come on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you hate, or get the fuck out.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I co-wash my new bundles before I get them installed. And I have a 16, 18, 20 from the D. Michelle collection, and I'll have all her information, including how much I paid for the bundles, in the description box. So the first thing that I do is take off the label that usually just has information about, you know, the business that you're getting the brand from, and I leave the rubber band on while I begin to wash my hair. So I usually take warm water and just run through the hair with my fingers, and when you see those bubbles, it's usually just like the little chemicals, I'm assuming, that, you know, the hair products have within the hair. So you want to make sure you get all that out. Then I take some Tresemme shampoo, and then I'm going to just apply that onto the hair, of course. And the next thing that I do is just lather all the hair up, including everything, like all the roots, all the hair. And then I just go ahead and wash that out really carefully, trying to make sure that I get anything that's in the hair out, because you don't want that in your head, period. So now I'm going to detangle the hair now that I got all the shampoo out of it. And I'm going to just make sure that I, you know, squeeze through it, make sure all the water's out. And now I'm going to go ahead on to conditioning my hair. So I go ahead and place the conditioner, of course, all over the hair. And then I just take my fingers and massage the hair really good. At this point, I'm just trying to make sure that the hair is conditioned as good as possible. And then I take the wide tooth comb and comb through the hair again. And now you see me twisting the hair. I usually twist my hair and sit it on a paper towel, and I just let it sit for the amount of time that it takes me to shampoo and condition the other two sets of bundles. Now that I have shampooed and conditioned all my bundles, I'm now going to rinse out the conditioner. And this is the last step that I take with each of these bundles. And I just make sure that I take my time and take out all the conditioner. And then I take off the rubber band since I washed all the conditioner out. And then I'm going to detangle it for another time. And then I will be just ripping the bundles apart. Well, not ripping them apart, but softly opening up the bundles. Place them on a hanger. And when I place them on the hanger, I just let them dry. So personally, I like to let mine air dry out, and I usually hang them up in my shower, and I put this argan oil on it, and it's this weightless oil, and it just gives it that extra shine. And you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how I co-wash my bundles. Please make sure that you follow me on all my social media handles, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.